Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll know that how you can create database and also table, and mm, also I'll insert some value in this table, because if you are new to MySQL Workbench and you wondering that how you can create all of this, please keep watching till into the video. I'll explore all of the things. Okay, let's get started. First, if you don't have installed MySQL Workbench, first make sure that you have installed. Okay, otherwise how you can create database. Then after install MySQL Workbench, you have to go to start and search MySQL and open this MySQL Workbench 8.0. After opening it, you will came over this page, and this page I will create this page I will create database. You'll see that here is in schemas there is lots of name over here. This is a database. Okay, I created before, and now I'll create one. I'll see you that how you can create database. First, you have to write a query for creating a database. Right, create database name. I'll give my database name my database, and run this command. You have to just click over here and it will run. You'll see my database created successfully. Create database, my database. Okay, after creating a table, you have to use this database. Okay, you will see that my database is came over here. First refresh it, and you will find over here my database, and you have to use the database. For this, you have to write this command: use database name my database, and you have to run this. You use the database. Now it will active my database active. Okay, then you have to create table, otherwise it will throw an error. Every time when you going to work in MySQL Workbench, you have to select one particular database for working on top of that. Okay, otherwise it will throw an error, it will not work. Then I will create a table. So I'll already write this query. I'll just paste it. I'll create a table called employee, and I'll give this is the column name, ID, name, in age, department, salary is the column name, and this is the data type, integer, varchar, decimal. Why is red came over? Because you have to just give semicolon over here. It will okay. And then you have to run this query. You'll see my table is created. If you so how you can see that your table is created not? So you have to write this query: select star from employees, and run this. Love, see ID, name, age, department, salary. This is all of my column names, and there is no value. That's why it's showing null. And now I will insert some value to this table. For that, you have to write a query to insert the value. So I paste some data to it, and this is my insert query. You have to write insert query if you are going to insert it. Okay, if you are going to insert any value to any table, so you have to write this query: insert into employees means your table name, then you have to give column name and values. You have to write values, and under values you have to give how many rows you are going to insert in your table. You have to give one by one, and you have to just run this query. You will see that my insert is successful. How you can see, you have to just run this query. So you see my insert is successful. So my what is I going to insert, it is already inserted. Okay, this is how you will do all of this. So, and if you are going to do any, now you are going to perform any, write any query to you can perform any write query to solve any problem using my SQL. Okay, in MySQL Workbench. So if you like this particular video, and if you getting any issue while doing creating database or inserting value, please let me in the comment section. I'll try to help you out. And please subscribe to my channel to get new videos related to this. Okay, thank you.